Hi everyone, Dave Mitchell, doing a video here in Kelsall Court in Hampton East. It's the end of week 2, so it's our progress video, and so much has been done. So last video, this wall wasn't here at all, and that what we've done, we've just cut off that end of the room there to create an ensuite for the master. So this is now a master suite. You can see we've started to insulate absolutely every single wall that we possibly can. I'll start in here with the ensuite. So if I stand at one end of the ensuite, you'll see down that end there we've got a really big shower, and that's the niche for the shower there. We've got our mixer, and then of course our twin function shower head will come off that way. So we've got that there. On this side here, we've built this wall, this complete wall. It wasn't here at all, and then we've actually lowered the ceiling as well to accommodate a heat fan light unit, and then obviously all of the electrical required, etc., to make it function really well. In this side here, so you can see there's our strip grate here for our shower. That we've built into the existing floor. So all of this floor here, there was really large beams, joists that were laminated to, and it created the fall for what we required to. So we didn't really remove any of the existing flooring. We just added to what was there to create the floor, just slightly modified things to get the drainage in. On that end there, we've got a sliding cavity door for access into the room. And then on this side here, there'll be a heated towel rail. It's a pretty fancy one, actually. It's pretty cool. I've never seen one like that. And then on the left-hand side here is an 1800 twin bowl wall-hung vanity. And then above it, with back block there, you can see 4 mirrors. There's no mirror cabinet going in. It's just all mirrors in this one. And then we've got an in-wall toilet and cistern on that end there. And then, of course, on the end, we've put a brand new awning window in the end there for light. And obviously, it allows airflow and everything like that into the room as well. Back blocked, of course, for the toilet roll and for robe hooks and everything as we do in all of our custom bathrooms. We've got the flooring back down. We've got the underfloor, the tile underlays down, and then obviously all of the electrical, all of the plumbing has been completed. Remembering that upstairs here, this is from scratch. There was no plumbing at all upstairs in this build, so we had to go along the wall and then out the back and down the back wall. We had to modify the toilet downstairs to allow for the plumbing to take place. We had to put a new stink pipe in. We had to run all brand new hot and cold water all the way up from the hot water system, which is down over there, the front side part of the house. So yeah, a lot of work done within a 2-week period. So into the master bedroom, we basically removed all of the sheets so that we could insulate. There was no insulation in 3 sides of this room, which is ridiculous, to be honest. They're going to notice a huge difference with that. Here is where the robe's going to go, and we've got a custom sliding cavity door there. The fellas just put that in today, so it's really tall, and it's a 1 meter wide. Well, it's a 1020 door, which is really cool, so it keeps it nice and open. You can see that there's all brand new lighting, and then we've also allowed for a ceiling fan above the bed and then obviously put in power points in the right locations where the bed head's going to go in relation to the room with a brand new custom robe. So that's going to be really cool. So on this side here, it's a custom robe going in. So in here, this is now the new study. So again, we've pulled all the plaster, we've relocated the power points, and the boys have started insulating all of the walls. You can see here now how you walk. Let me just get back a bit. So as you come up this spiral staircase, you walk into the study area initially, and then we've built this we've had a custom made sliding cavity there, and you go through to the bedroom and then on into the ensuite. So it looks pretty cool. So as of Monday, the boys have finished today here. As of Monday, it's going to get all plastered. So everything's done up to now that we require. Then plastering will be done next week, and then the end of next week we'll waterproof it in prep for tiling the following week. So we go downstairs. The boys are down here working away. We have removed this wall here and modified timber as we need to. It wasn't structural, so that made things really easy. There's a custom bit of shelving going in that wall there. We removed all of this VJ paneling off this wall here. Young Mel's insulating that at the moment. We've opened up this door. You can see that really big beam across the top of that door there. That is another custom cavity door. It's huge. It's $1.20 wide by I think 2,400 high. So it's a really big opening, which is what they wanted. And then on this side here, there's custom seating going in here. So that's all going to be really, really cool. In this kitchen area, boys are doing a lot of work at the moment, as you can see. They're flat out as always. Hey, so they've removed the wall, put that big beam or lintel across the top to hold the weight, and then built a new wall on the inside, which divides off the bedroom and the kitchen. On this side here, there's a custom robe, and then on that side, there's actually just a desk. So on that side, that's, I think it's their son's bedroom. That's going to be a lot more functional. It's a lot bigger. And then on this side, we've just extended that wall across slightly to accommodate a 300 or 400 mil shelving cabinet. So that's about it. Boys have done a great job over the last 2 weeks. So as mentioned, Monday, plaster. The plasterers are in pretty much the whole week, and then the end of the week I'll be back to start waterproofing and so forth. All right, thanks for watching. I'll leave you with Jamie.